Okay, what's so important?
My sources have told me that Malice has learnt how to make slime.
But how? I thought you were working on it.
Oh no, I've known the recipe for years. I just kept it top secret.
Well, if this is top secret and you already know the recipe, why am I here?
I just thought it would be fun to teach you. Now you're ready. Empty the bottle of soap into the bowl. Now add the cornstarch. Careful not to add too much. We don't want it to turn into Play-Doh. Stop! Good job.
Thanks. What's wrong?
This is the difficult part. Make a mistake and...
And then what?
Well, let's hope we don't find out. Oh, I'm only joking. It's all perfectly safe. All you have to do now is stir it. There we have it. Slime.
Woohoo! I wonder if Malice managed it.
We'll see. There's one special ingredient left.
What is it?
Try it.
It looks so pretty. How did you do that?
What's wrong, Malice? Did you have some trouble?
To make this potion,
Horrible potion.
all right, to make this horrible potion taste better, we've got to add nice ingredients to it.
Oh, I remember. We have to guess the ingredients the other will add.
And the loser drinks it.
So you drink it.
Oh, it's on. Take your pick.
That was easy. Show me. Why would you pick the eggs? Gummy sweets in a drink is just ew.
Oh, yeah. Whoops. Go.
I thought you didn't like cinnamon.
I don't, but I'm not going to be drinking it. You are!
My precious. Hang on, we only got one right, so surely we both lose. Who drinks the potion? So, how does it taste?
Oh, it's lovely, Liliana.
We promise.
Liliana, where are you?
I've got one last What's in the Box challenge for you. Hands in the box, princesses!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. Oh, this is easy. It's Susan Elephant Snot. Oh, only joking. It's Play-Doh.
Correct! Maybe that one was too easy. Close your eyes and then it's Olivia's turn.
Is it bad? Let's just say it'll keep us together forever.
Ugh, it's all lumpy and bitty.
And what else?
Keep us together forever.
Glue!
Time for the final round.
Good luck. May the best princess win.
This one's really tough, so get your hands stuck in. Ha! Got you!
Oh, Liliana!
I think I better be going.
Paint. No? What do you mean, no? Paint.
What are you painting? Well, trying to paint.
The most beautiful thing in the world. But look.
I was going to prank you, but it looks like someone beat me to it. Try and loosen up.
Watch.
Hey, I'm trying here.
This is actually helping.
Okay, you can stop now.
Wow, this is great! Paint. the most beautiful thing in the world.
Enjoy your breakfast, Timothy. Hello, Malice speaking. Hey Malice, you ready for the big Zuzaa Lane cleanup? We really need your help. Sorry, Olivia. I can't come. I'm just too sick. Oh no. I'll come and check up on you. Oh no. Sorry I can't help you out. I'm just so ill. I'm really looking forward to it. Don't worry, one of my spells will make you feel better. I guess I'm just too sick for the spell. Sorry to hear that, Malice. You should stay in bed and rest. I'll catch up with you soon. That was too easy. A free day. What should we do, Timothy? Oh, you poor thing. I brought you some medicine. I'll have it later. Oh, it's cold in here. Let me turn up the heating for you. There, you'll be feeling better in no time. See ya! Come on, Timothy, let's go to the beach. Not again. The other princesses tell me you're feeling ill. It's really hot in here. I know. That was Isabella. Let's see what illness you have. I knew it. Oh no, is it unicorn flu? Oh, stop it. I know that you're faking it, Malice. I just didn't want to go cleaning. It's fine. I won't tell anybody. Let's do something fun together. Let's go to the beach.
Oh, Olivia! Olivia! What is it? You will be doing the Say Yes to Everything challenge for 24 hours. Fine. Yes. What should we start with? Careful with that. Decorate it. This is gonna be a long day. Yes. Much better. Thanks, Olivia. Is saying you're welcome part of the challenge as well? I don't like your outfit. I think you need a makeover. No, that's not a word that we're saying today. Let's try again. Olivia, would you like a makeover? Yes, get it over with. You know what? I think I can make this work. Laugh if you want. I like it. Just 1 minute. There's just one more little thing I want you to do. Then you're done. What is it? No, you can't ask. Just say yes. Promise it's the last one? I promise. Yes. What should I do with this? Everyone in Kiddyzuzaa land should see you holding it, including the other princesses. Wait. I'll need this to take more photos.
Hello, baddies ahoy. This is Malice. I've got a little job for you.
No, it needs more. Yar, ha ha ha. Yar,
Huh?
ha ha.
What is that?
Yar.
It just suits me at every angle. Incredible! I don't think there's anything that can make this hat not look utterly fabulous. Not even an evil pirate that does pirate-themed magic. Ah! Olivia! Are you ready for our... Olivia? Squawk! Olivia, what happened to you? Squawk! A pirate did what? Oh, hang on. Someone's ringing me. Isabella! What? An eye patch? Well, I think bandanas look cool. Hello? What on earth is going on?
Yar.
Hang on, I recognise those gruff piratey tones.
Yar, ha ha ha.
That sounds like... Baddies ahoy!
Prepare to be.
Baddie-o reverso!
What? Where am I? Who are you?
I'm Esme.
Oh, Kiddyzuzaa. Pleased to meet you.
It worked! My spell actually worked for once. Good to meet you, goodies.
What can I do for you, Esme? Goodies ahoy is at your command.
Huh? Who's there?
Yar, ha ha ha.
Oh, baddies, it's just you. Baddies? Baddies?
Not again. You'll get it. Just remember the swish and a flick. I know, I know. What was that? Is it a dog? No. I think it's an elephant. What elephant sounds like that? Jeffrey sounds like that when he's got a cold. Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Okay, it's not him.
Ow, ow, ow.
There it is again.
Ow, 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 ow.
Okay, that was definitely an elephant. No, it wasn't. Listen again.
Ow.
Either that's a rare African laughing sparrow, or someone's playing a trick on us. Who could it be? Nobody knows about this place.
Do they? Ooh, I know everything about you, Olivia. Ooh. I know that voice. Malice. No, I'm the scary ghost. She must have a speaker here somewhere. There's no speaker. It's all magic. Aha. Ooh. Gotcha, Malice. Oh no. How did you know? I was so careful. Because you need to work on your scary voice. I'm the scariest. Hang on. If even I, the great Malice, needed a walkie-talkie to speak to you, then how did you just speak to Malice? I guess I'm just really magical. You got it. The tickle spell. She's really magical now. Guys, was that you? Guys? It's time for your What's in the Box challenge. Liliana, is that you? Yes. Take turns to feel the animal inside the box and guess what it is. The winner gets a prize. Who wants to go first? I guess that's me then. Whoa, there are loads of them! Are they creepy crawlies? 6 legs each, antennae. They're ants. Correct. Please close your eyes whilst the animal is being replaced. Olivia, you're up. Careful it doesn't bite. Boo! That's mean. You scared me. No scaring allowed. -1 point to Esme. Not fair. What does it feel like? It's got wings, big ears, and it's quite hairy. Sounds like one of Liliana's experiments gone wrong. Hey. I don't know. Susan hairy bird? Wrong. Aww. Careful, it's only a bat. Sorry, bat. 0 points each. Time for a tie break. Close your eyes. 1 hand each. May the best princess win. 3, 2, 1, go. Got you. Challenge complete. Nobody wins. See you next time. Oh, Liliana. Olivia. 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 You woke up all of Kiddyzuzaa land. What is it? A fish. I won him. But he won't talk to me. Esme, it's a fish. Maybe it needs water to come alive. Good idea! Whoopsie! Hello? Anybody there? I think I know who can help. Of course, Liliana. Actually, not this time.
I was just playing for Timothy. Did you like that, Timothy? How can I help you, Esme? I need to bring my fish to life. You do know it's a toy, right? I do, but I want to talk to him. And you're the best at magic. I agree. I'll prove it once and for all. Wow! Hello, Mr. or Mrs. Fish. Can you hear me in there? Sorry, Esme. I guess it's just a normal fish. I just wanted a new friend to talk to. Want to go on an adventure? I bet it would cheer you up. Where to? You'll have to wait and see. Wait for me. Bye, fish. You're late, Esme. Sorry, I was fueling up on my grapes. Now we're ready to go. Watch me and then you'll have a go. Doesn't look too hard. You're supposed to break it, not eat it. What a waste of food. Just try again. Mwahahaha. Hey, why did you do that? Me? I thought it was you. Why would I make it disappear? I wanted to eat it. Never mind. Let's just try a new pose. This is the crane style. Stop that. I win. Please, just try the pose. Okay, sorry, Isabella. I'm doing it! Focus, Esme. Having trouble, princesses? Malice! I should have known you were behind all this. I just have one thing to ask. What is it? Can I join in? That was a close one.
Too close. Maybe just set me down on a stable surface, hmm?
So, are you ready for your transformation?
All I want is to be fast for a day. It looks like so much fun. Oh, it's cozy in here, Liliana. Oh!
I have to find a way to stop him. He can end up anywhere.
Whee!
Huh?
Whee! Whee!
Mr. Zuzaa? Is that you?
Whee!
Slow down.
I can't! Oh! Oof! Oof! Woo! Yeah! Oh!
Bye, Mr. Zuzaa.
Zuzaa!
Let's catch him, Timothy.
Zuzaa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Ah!
Timothy, help me.
Woo! Oh! That's me, Liliana! Ah! Ah! Thank you, but that's enough excitement for today.
I think this machine needs a bit of work. Let's get you home.